After Christmas, our homes can feel a little full, not just with decorations, but with memories. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I declutter after Christmas. What I start with, what I save for last, and how I keep the memories without keeping all the stuff. Number 1, start with the easy stuff. I always start with the things that require no emotion at all: broken ornaments, burned out lights, torn wrapping paper, and worn gift bags. Used boxes, I know I won't reuse. If it's broken, expired, or unusable, it doesn't need to follow me into another year. Number 2, clear the paper and packaging materials. Next, I let go of excess packaging like bubble wrap and all those Amazon boxes, extra gift boxes, tissue paper, and used gift bags. Anything you don't love and will not reuse. Instructions for decorations and user manual instructions I'm keeping. I only keep what fits neatly into one folder. Always keep all of them in the same file folder all year long. Each year, purge it of what is no longer useful. Number 3, decorations that never made it out of the box. This is where decluttering really begins. If something stayed in the box all season, I ask myself why. Did I forget about it? Did it feel like too much work? Or did my style simply change? If I wasn't excited to use it this year, I probably won't be next year either. Donate it, or give it as a Christmas gift next year. Number 4, duplicate decorations and other extras. Here is where I look for duplicate ornaments, table decor, and tree toppers. Honestly, how many tree topper stars do you need? I choose my favorites and let the rest go. Keeping the best makes decorating easier and more joyful next year. Number 5, holiday linens and kitchen items. I go through Christmas towels, coffee mugs, table runners, and baking items, and cookie-making tools. I keep what I truly enjoyed using and not what I feel obligated to store. Number 6, save sentimental items for last. This is the part I always do at the end. You don't need to keep everything to honor the memory. What I do instead is choose one meaningful item from the year, or something new from Christmas. If it is something small, I turn it into an ornament for next year. For example, I made a dog tag ornament for each of my dogs. For years to come, this little ornament will hold memories each and every year. It will be such a joy to see it next Christmas and every Christmas after that. Number 7, final storage check. Before anything gets stored away, I ask myself, does it fit comfortably in its container? Try not to use cardboard containers here. Be sure to use sturdy sealed containers. This makes it mouse, bug, dust, and moisture-proof. Is it clearly labeled? One label on the top and one on the end. No more surprises. You will clearly know what is in the box. Will the future you be happy to see all the things you stored next Christmas? If the answer is no, it's okay to let it go. If yes, then it's a keeper. Decluttering after Christmas isn't about losing memories. It's about making room for the ones that matter most. See you in the next video.